Zara cap style you can try to church. Hi guys, and welcome back to my page. My gele measurement for this Zara cap is 70-30. What I'm using for Zara cap is macro. It's called macro. You can also use a carton if you don't have something like this to measure it. So what I'm doing here is to just align it on my head, turn my back, and then fold it. The measurement is 30-70. So all I'm doing here is to align my hand so that my front Zara cap will come out very sharp and neat. So here I started forming my pleat. The longer hand is what I'm taking up to form the pleat. So I place it neatly, slantly on the Zara cap, and then use my office pin to pin it down tightly just this way. Then I start forming my pleat. So this place, I'm going to be pleating all the whole head wrap. I'm going to be pleating all my gele to achieve the height I want, just a portable height and not too much. If it's too much, it's not going to give us a nice finish. So that is what I'm doing there. So I keep pleating all the whole Zara. I keep pleating all the pleats, and then everything is what I'm pleating. Everything. Just place your hand tightly on the top and then use your other hand to bring your pleat forward and then arrange it. So look at what I'm doing, just align them neatly. All right, so I went back to arrange it. Just look at the front and see how it is, and then make sure your pleats are on top of themselves. So I just arrange everything, I pressed my hand down and then I kept arranging. I keep arranging my pleats. So look at what I'm doing. Just take your time and arrange. It's very, very simple. So I press my hand down, I take the remaining fabric, I place it down, and then I twist at my back, use my office pin to start tagging it down. Okay, so I started arranging. Look at anywhere I see that is lifting up, I will use my office pin to tag that place down. So I came back here to arrange my pleat. The neatness of your pleat is what will make your gele come out very fine. So I use the remaining shorter hand to wrap close my back. Look at it. Then I started using my office pin to pin it down. My hand is my director. My hand is showing me where and where to put my pin. So look at how gorgeous this style came out. So you can name this style whatever you like, Senegalese style. I don't even know what to name it. I just, it's craft. So I decided to do something beautiful to our Zara cap. You can actually wear this style to church, to any occasion. Thank you so much. I hope you love this style and I hope you are going to try it out. See you in my next video. Bye. And please don't forget to share this video so that others can see. Bye.